Tiger, a unique predator in nature. The tiger, Panthera tigris, is one of the most beautiful and powerful predators in the world. It is the largest of the cat species and the fastest animal after the cheetah. Tigers are widespread in various parts of South and Southeast Asia. They usually live in deep forests and lead a solitary life. Physical structure and characteristics of tigers. The tiger's strong body, sharp teeth, and sharp claws make them particularly suitable for hunting. The weight of an adult tiger can range from 100 to 300 kilograms, which can vary depending on their species. Tigers usually have black stripes on their bodies, which help them camouflage themselves. Habitat and distribution of tigers. Tigers mainly live in forests and grasslands. They are found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, China, Indonesia, and some parts of Russia. However, due to illegal hunting and deforestation, the number of tigers is decreasing day by day. Diet and hunting strategies. Tigers usually hunt deer, wild boar, gaur, swamp animals, and occasionally small mammals. They are very patient hunters. They attack their prey from behind and suddenly. The tiger's powerful paws and teeth instantly kill the prey. Reproduction and life cycle. Female tigers usually give birth to 2 to 4 cubs, and they stay with their mother for about 2 years. During this time, the mother tiger teaches them hunting and survival techniques. On average, a tiger can live for 10 to 15 years, but this period is reduced in the wild, threats, and conservation initiatives. Tiger is currently on the list of endangered animals. One of the reasons for hunting tigers is their skin, teeth, and other organs, which are sold at high prices on the black market. Deforestation is also a major threat to tigers. Various countries have taken official steps to conserve tigers. Tiger conservation projects have been launched in national parks. Such as Project Tiger in India, Sundarbans Conservation Project in Bangladesh, etc. Conclusion: tigers are very important for maintaining the balance of nature. Conserving them does not mean just saving one animal, but maintaining the biodiversity of the entire forest. Therefore, we should preserve the habitat of tigers and take strict measures against their hunting.